Hello, my name is Ikbalali Dina, and it's a pleasure to give a testimonial here at NetSoft Communications. Before I came to take courses here at NetSoft, I been working for over 25 years, but in totally non-IT related functions. When due to some unfortunate situations where my company downsized, I was let go, so I was left in a dilemma as to what should I do next. So talking to some of my friends who had already come through NetSoft, they put in a good word, and so I came one day to visit and talk to Tariq in one of his workshops, and was extremely impressed by all the other testimonials provided by other students who have been very successful. So I started here 2 years ago. When I look back, I think it was the best decision I made for myself to study all those courses offered by NetSoft here at NetSoft rather than other institutes because of various reasons. And if I recollect, the past 2 years, the motivation was very high. Because of the attitude of the trainers, it was a pleasure coming and attending the class, going through the material, and it's been a wonderful experience. The level of instructions was very professional. The trainers were very knowledgeable. Trainers shared with us the real-life industrial experience, which made the whole course more interesting and exciting. Trainers made us work hard. Sometimes it was very difficult, but they tried and get you out of the comfort zone, and it's very easy to get back, but they would help you out and push you so that you always go beyond and stay above the line. Also the whole environment was set in such a way that the class students, we bonded very well, and we stayed as a team. We worked as a team. We helped each other out. There was always enough guidance. We could always rely on the instructors and the team and our teams in the class to help us out. So overall was a very, very good experience, and I'm happy and delighted now that we finished. I can go back into the IT industry.